Hello, everyone. I'm Dia Trambitas, the head of product at Johnson Labs, with an intro into the Human in the Loop Generative AI Lab, which is our no-code platform designed to accelerate AI model development while keeping human annotators and human experts involved in the process. The goal of this training is to help you understand how to design, how to run and optimize your AI projects using the entire Johnson Labs ecosystem. That means everything from data annotation, the identification, LLM response comparison, compliance issues, how to integrate the tool via API into your existing workflows. So I'm going to take a practical approach. So I hope that by the end of the session, you'll not only understand the features which are available as part of the Generative AI Lab, so you'll not only have a conceptual understanding of the tool, but you will also have seen the tool in action and understand how to play with it. I'm going to start with a short presentation of the Human in the Loop workflow that is offered by Generative AI Lab. I'll try to cover the concept, the workflow stages, all the tools which are available. I'll give you some best practices on how to integrate the human feedback into the AI development. Then we'll explore the resources and tools which are available as part of this platform, where you will see how to manage all the models, prompts, and rules, and include those into your own project. We'll see some specific projects for specific use cases, for instance, for the identification, and then we'll deep dive into PDF annotation. We'll see how we can reuse models which have been trained for text processing for PDF pre-annotation, but we'll also be able to check a little bit how to use visual NLP specific models to annotate those PDFs and maybe to train them if necessary. Then we'll move to LLM evaluation and LLM comparison type of projects, and I'll show you how to create those projects, how to import prompts, how to generate responses using different LLM endpoints, and then how to set up projects to allow you to assess the outputs of those LLMs. We'll also cover the audit dashboards, which are offered as part of the Generative AI Lab platform, which allows you to track all the actions of your users and to ensure that the project is compliant with the current regulations. Finally, we'll wrap up with an API integration and show you how to interact programmatically with the Generative AI Lab within your data processing workflows.